Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Labos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by KlaiyiHair Hair. Shout out to you, Klaiyi, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here, I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a 13x4 lace front wig. This unit is a jerry curly texture unit, and I do have it in 24 inches. Now, if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you Labugs in the outro. Bye.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment. I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go. Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. With you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go back. Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. Cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. Cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you
Obviously finished styling this a wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by KlaiyiHair Hair. Shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. If you've been watching me, especially recently, then honey, you know they be bringing the heat, okay? So shout out to you, boo. I may not get your name right, but I know you bring the heat, okay? So the unit I am rocking is their 9A grade 13x4 lace front jerry curly human hair wig. They have on here on sale 130%, 150%, and 180% density. Now, they didn't send me what density I have. I want to just guesstimate that it's 180. Honey, if it's anything less than that, then they really showing out. But I ain't gonna lie, this company does sometimes show out on you, girl. So I don't know. That's just me guesstimating. So this unit does come in the lengths 10 to 24 inches, all even numbers. And I do have mine in 24 inches. This is a 13 by 4 closure. I mean, not closure, child. 13 by 4 frontal. They got closure on here, but isn't that a frontal? Yeah, lace front, whatever, child. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, it is 13 by 4. Okay, so what they have on the site, it says hair color natural black. Hair material 100% virgin human hair wig, virgin curly hair, can be dyed and ironed by your favorite, and I guess they mean like flat ironed or whatever, hot combed or whatever, child. Okay, they have on here the hair grade is KlaiyiHair 9A grade virgin hair, curly hair, medium luster, bleach. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Nature called, as in Journey Brown. Okay. But anyway, so it says hair grade, KlaiyiHair 9A grade, virgin hair, curly hair, medium luster, bleach/dye friendly. The lengths available, I already told you, was 10 to 24 inches. Very soft and healthy and thick. Base material, Swiss lace. Cap size 22 to 22.5. So it is like an average cap size, so keep that in mind. And it says natural hairline and baby hair resemble real common. 180, 150% density together with high, just choosing you like. Okay, so that's what they have on the site. And as you guys saw, it did come like pre-tweezed, but the baby hairs do come pretty thick. So I did tweeze the baby hairs. Now, as far as the hairline in itself, I didn't, but I did tweeze those baby hairs, as you guys saw, because honey, they was even too thick for me. And you guys know your girl loves some baby hairs. I'm a baby hair type of girl, okay? But if they were too thick for me, then it'll let you know really how thick they really were. So yeah, I did do that. Now this texture is Jerry Curly. I have been telling you guys, like, Jerry Curly has just been my texture here lately, okay? I think it's gonna be my summer texture. What you guys think? Jerry Curly, my summer texture? Yeah, I am definitely feeling the Jerry Curly thing. Like, I just love the wave right now. Anyways, I digress. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, did I get any? I want to say I did get minimum shedding when I was brushing the unit out. It really wasn't a whole lot because, I don't know, it wasn't a whole lot, but I did get some. I had also just kind of tweezed, you know, that area, so I don't know. I didn't tweeze this part, but I did tweeze, you know, like the baby hairs and some over here, which was a part of the hairline. I tweezed and made baby hair. So I don't know, but I did get some minimum shedding. I want to throw that out there just in case it's an issue for you, girl. Ain't no issue for me unless it's, you know, like shedding. It wasn't shedding like that. So I just want to throw it out there. Now, as far as tangles, this wig really is not tangly whatsoever as far as curly units go. Now, I did brush this unit out, so, you know, obviously it's not tangly at all now because I brushed it out. But it, you know, it wasn't very tangly from the get-go. Like, it was the average curly hair sort of tangles. You know what I mean? Like, you hit a snag here and there when you're brushing it out, but that was pretty much it. It really wasn't that tangly whatsoever. So also, yet another plus. Like, shout out to you, honey. Okay, so and as far as the hairline, you guys see the hairline. I feel like the hairline looks really, really nice. Now, this is not HD lace, so I feel like in person, you can definitely see the lace on me, because when it comes to lace these days, it's not transparent, it's not HD. I noticed that I can definitely, you know, see that line of demarcation because the lace is usually too dark. But it's not that bad. Like, but I do want you guys to know, like, I know you can't see it with all these lights. You can. You see it right here. I've just noticed, you know, since the transparent lace has been a thing, that you can definitely see it. But this one isn't super bad. Like, I feel like if literally you may be even just a smidgen darker than me, this wouldn't even show up whatsoever. So I just want to throw it out there because I know I have a lot of people that are my shade and even lighter, you know, and it can be an issue when it's lace because you can just really, really see it, especially since nowadays we're all pretty much used to the HD and transparent lace. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. And yeah, yeah, that's basically it as far as the details and specs go for this unit. Oh, as far as it being big head friendly, to me it is a big head friendly unit. I did adjust the straps. I feel like, you know, it's an average cap size. It's 22 to 22.5. Honey, if you know your circumference, you good. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a length check and all that good stuff when I do my full 360, as well as my thoughts on this unit. So if you are interested in it, then please continue watching. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck. I am feeling this wig. I think this wig is gorgeous. Y'all, is this supposed to be folded? I don't know. But anyways, I am feeling this wig. I think this wig is so nice. Like, I am definitely feeling. I am even feeling my Ghetto Fabulous baby hairs. I know some of y'all don't like the baby hairs. I get it, sis. If you don't, you ain't gotta do them, okay? I am a baby hair chick, okay? I may not always do baby hairs, but I am that girl, okay? Don't ever get it twisted. I am that girl. So yeah, even though I didn't do my baby hairs, I still think this is a gorgeous unit. I would definitely recommend it. I would recommend this company in general because so far it's so good. Like they have never sent me something that I did not like. Like they be coming through with the come through. So shout out to you, Klaiyi Hair. Okay. Like I said, I may not know how to say your name, but honey, you be coming through with the come through, and you did not disappoint with old girl. Now, as far as products that I use, I guess I put it up. Okay, so I used water. I brushed her out, then I used water, and then I used my it's by Dark and Lovely. It's like a leave-in conditioner. And then I use my Aunt Jackie's Ice Curl. That is basically what I've been doing with all of my curly units as of late. Like I just love it. And I'm always happy with the finished result. Like it's dry now, and it just basically it gives that sort of wet sort of look. Usually the more I apply, the more wet it looks, but it just gives me the sort of look that I'm going for. And yeah, here we are. I love it. I'm really feeling it. I love everything about this wig. I think it is gorgeous. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am definitely feeling this unit. If you are interested in this wig, there will be a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to me a C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you little bugs next time. Bye.